What's the meaning of compatible? Compatible. Compatible.
Compatible. Compatible. The term compatible refers to the ability of two or more things to be able to work together without any issues. In order for something to be considered compatible, it must be able to function properly alongside other components or systems that it is intended to work with. Compatibility is important in technology, as different devices and software programs must be able to communicate and work together seamlessly in order to achieve desired results. When something is incompatible, it can lead to errors, malfunctions, and other issues that can negatively impact performance.